God. Die.
No.
He had to die.
Wow. I could dive over it, but I'm not sure.
You want to lower it?
If I put a nice little pad over there, like a couple of mattresses.
Sure.
I have a shovel, or whatever.
Holy
Oh, you can't dive.
Go.
It would be so bad if I mess up my hand.
No, not record.
I can record.
Oh my God.
You.
See, I can do that too. You try it and then I'll do it. I'm not gonna try that. Exactly.
Hunter, jump it.
Hold on. Frank's gonna try diving over it and then rolling. You try.
Hunter failing.
That was hard.
Hit yourself again.
Ah,
It will go on YouTube.
I'm not sure I want it on YouTube.
Might want to move your foot again.
No, oh, whatever. No, I almost had it.
Yeah, if that started, you crow. I got it on video. Oh my God. Hold on, I want to zoom in on it.
Oh, that hurt.
Sue was looking at me like, what? You so stupid.
You're so stupid.
Keep recording till I can get it.
Aha!
Oh, fail. Is it moving? You did it.
I wanna be a billionaire so fucking bad. Buy all of the things I never had. I wanna be on the cover of Forbes magazine, smiling next to Oprah and the Queen. Oh, every time I close my eyes, I see my name in shiny lights. Yeah, a different city every night. Oh, I swear the world better prepare for when I'm a billionaire.